It was late at night. I went to the kitchen to get some water. The house was quiet. I opened the fridge. Cold air came out. I took the water and drank. Then I closed the door. That's when I heard it. Tap. I froze. I opened the fridge again. Inside there was only milk, eggs, containers, nothing strange. I closed the door and turned around. Then tap. I heard it again. This time I was sure. It came from inside the fridge. Slowly I opened it again. Everything looked normal. But on the bottom shelf there was a phone. I had never seen it before. I picked it up. The screen turned on. The photo app was open. One photo. At first I couldn't tell what it was. Then I realized. It was my kitchen. The photo was taken from inside the fridge. Slowly I looked back inside. That's when I saw it. A small hole in the back wall. And inside the hole I was watching.